Okay, so this is not my program. This is not my website. Um, this is just something that I was able to find. Um, it's talking about the DNA Kit Studio. Like I said, not my program, not my website. Um, so step by step, this is what this is for. Um, on the website, it's going to talk through DNA land. If you read it's 1 through 5, it's really irrelevant to us now. What happened was, I don't know, it was like a year ago, I was actually able to upload my genes for good to the DNA website, our DNA land website, but now for whatever reason doesn't work. So I wanted to figure out how I could go about downloading the DNA land profile, or without downloading the DNA Land profile, since no one's able to upload a DNA Land anymore, anyways. So that's where we are. We can completely skip 1 through 5. It's, like I said, irrelevant. We go to um, the DNA Kit Studio information. That would be number 6. Now, at this point, you've already downloaded this DNA Kit Studio with a link that I'm going to put in the description, so that you can go to the site and you can download the DNA Studio. Now, once you download the DNA Studio, you've unzipped it, you've ran it. You're going to make sure the very next step, actually, it was a step before this. You should have already had the file. You went to Facebook, you went to Genes for Good app, you downloaded the file, you went to box.com, you got the actual genome file, and that's where you're going to be. Now, you open up the Genes for Good file. You have nine of these files, not files, but anyways, you have 9 of them. You're going to copy them. So you just right click copy. Then you go to your desktop, is where I put mine. Now, I made a YouTube folder just because this is for that reason only. Um, So I made this YouTube. So then you open the folder, you right click, and you're going to paste those files. And then you get to go down here to the bottom. You're going to open it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hit browse. It's going to only populate 2 of those inside of the folder. And you're going to choose the GFG filtered imputed genotypes, no Y, no MT.VCF.GZ. You're going to hit open. And then here, for the raw data output, if you look back over on the website, it says genome XXYY. You can actually copy that. So you can copy it, then you go back. You're going to paste it there, but instead of the XXYY, you're going to put whatever your name is, or I don't know, whoever the test is for, you're going to put their name in there. Then you're going to check this button, click the drop down menu to the template for 23andme underscore v3txt, and then you're going to hit convert. Now, I've already converted, but what's going to happen is you're going to get a green bar that goes down here across the screen. Once it gets to the end, you'll get a little pop-up that says you're finished. So that's where you are now. So then you're going to go to family tree / autosomal transfer. You can either Google that, but if I remember, I'll add that to the link in the description as well, so that it would be easy for you to get it. We're just going to type in, you just type in your name, uh, your first name, last name, your email address, female, and what's on the next screen, it's going to say, do you want to use Ancestry / 23andMe or MyHeritage? You are going to choose the MyHeritage one. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to let this go on and populate, if it will. It doesn't really even matter. And then we're going to say female, just so you can see that screen. So here's the screen. the 23andMe. This is the one you're going to choose. And then you're going to go to browse. You're going to go to it. In mine, it went to downloads. And then right here it says DNA Kit Studio. Now I already uploaded these, but I made this one. So Genome, this one says YouTube like it already made. Then you are going to hit open. Now I can't go any farther with this because it's going to tell me it already has this, so it won't let me upload it. So then you would upload it. You're going to go to the next screen that is going to tell you that it's, I don't remember exact word, but it's preparing or something along those lines. And then you're going to get an email that will have your login kit number and will have your password in that email. And then it only takes about 10 minutes or so. And by going over here, this is a Genes for Good kit that's already uploaded. So it's already showing, like I said, it took like 10, 15 minutes to get that. So it works perfectly fine. And then the only thing, like I said, that you're not going to get is if you click, say you want to choose the different people and hit Chromosome Browser. This is the screen you're going to get. Unlock premium tools. You can look at your cousins. You can email your cousins back and forth, but you will not get the Chromosome Browser for free, and you will not get the My Origins, which it's just a pretty little thing without paying. You have to unlock those for $19. But if the whole point of it is if you're trying to do like if you're adopted or for whatever reason you're just wanting to talk to more DNA cousins, then this is definitely the way to go, because you'll be able to see all your DNA cousins. Like I said, it works perfectly for everything else, and that was it. Pretty simple.